Good morning, class. Today, let me begin the new lesson, that is, the first lesson from Geography, our state, Karnataka. In this lesson, we will learn the origin and the name Karnataka and the form of the state, the geographical location, size and water frontiers, and population of Karnataka. The name Karnataka has been in use from ancient times. Karunat means the land which is on an elevated plateau. It has been mentioned in Amogavarsha Nripatunga's work Kaviraja Marga that Karnataka extended from the Kaveri river in south to Godavari river in the north. The area of Karnataka is 1,91,791 square kilometers. Before independence, Karnataka was ruled by many dynasties like Rashtrakutas, Chalukyas, Hoysalas, Vijayanagara rulers, Mysore Wadayars, etc. In this picture, you can see the location of Karnataka state in India. It is situated in the southern part of India in the western central area of the peninsular region. In 1947, 9 southern districts, which were till then under the rule of Mysore kings, were brought together to form Mysore state. Later, when the states were reorganized on linguistic basis, all areas with Kannada speaking people were brought together and present Karnataka state was formed. Karnataka extends from 11.31 degree north to 18.45 degree north latitude and 74.12 degree east to 78.40 east longitude. Its length is 750 kilometers, stretching from Aurad Taluk in Bidar district in the northernmost tip of the state to Chamarajnagar district in the south. Its width is 400 kilometers from the west to east. Karwar in Uttara Kannada district is at the western end and Mulbagil in Kolar district is at the eastern end. Here you are seeing the population chart of Karnataka. Karnataka is India's 8th largest state with regard to area. According to the latest information, Karnataka has the 9th position with a population of 6.96 crore and Karnataka occupies 5.83% of India's geographical area. At present, there are 30 districts in our state. Belagavi or Belgaum is the largest district and Bengaluru or Bengaluru urban district is the smallest district. The state has been divided into 4 divisions for administrative purposes. They are Bengaluru, Mysuru, Belagavi and Kalburgi. With this, we have come to the end of the lesson. We'll meet you soon with a new lesson. Till then, it's bye bye to you all. Thank you.